The next control we're going to talk about is called SignaTouch. And SignaTouch is new for 2019. It's a full feature control. It has 2 user settings. I can choose Kim. It will control your digital shower, your steam shower, music, and lighting. It's totally full featured. It's great control. Right now we're in the digital shower. You can control your temperature and you can control your flow rate, low, medium, and high. In the center, you can control the outlets. So for example, your rain head, your shower head, or your wand. We also have a volume bar here on the side, so your volume of your music is always conveniently able to be adjusted. The next screen is your steam shower screen. So you can do your temperature and your time of your steam shower, and the volume bar is there as well. The next screen is your music screen. And as you see, it's Bluetooth enabled. You're able to control your track right there and adjust your treble, mid-range, and bass. So that's full featured as well as far as your music setting. And then we go to your lighting. Now your lighting, we have a white light, which is your regular shower light. So you don't need to buy another shower light. The light music system is capable of being your white light. And then also we have a mood light where it will create a mood light effect. And then we have the 7 chakras, which is chromotherapy. And so each of these 7 chakras, simply by pushing the button, you can go ahead and heal different parts of your body due to light healing, which is called chromotherapy. So it's a very full feature control, digital shower, steam shower, full adjustability of your music, and full adjustment of your lighting. It's a great control, SignaTouch. Ask your showroom professional about how to turn your shower into a ThermaSol smart shower. Or take a piece of literature. Or if you'd like to view any of these videos, go to youtube.com/ThermaSol. Thank you for watching.